power and design of BMW Z8. With its aluminum all-over body with a look that resembles it's a copy of no other contemporary BMW, it isn't likely to have been a shock that the interior of the Z8 was a bit off the mark also. It had a retro-styled steering wheel with a thin wheel which was anchored by wire spokes. The dashboard was actually divided into two parts. The top part comprised of wrapped plastic pieces with the instruments tucked away in an upper binnacle that was angled toward the driver. Despite its heavy use of aluminum in its design, the Z8 measured 1,585 kilograms, which is quite a bit hefty for a two-seat roadster, but much smaller than M5, which given its run gear. And in the end, the Z8 certainly was fast. BMW boasted a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time of 4.7 cc as well in straight lines. It is as quick as the numbers suggest. Its ability to remove the hood on the press of button lets you to listen for the engine running its course and can be heard in its full range of low-pitched V8 roar when it is idle, to a loud bellow when you near that red line. It may be a priced-down M engine, but it's still an absolute pleasure to ride behind.